I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out. Over and out.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the day where I'm finally going to be able to share with you the process of our food pantry renovation. So bear with me, as this video is about 1.5 years old, but the audio that you're listening to is current. So much was going on in the year of 2020 that we couldn't put our full focus on this. But now it's completed and ready to share with all of you. I believe that there will be about 3 parts to this renovation, but today I'll be showing you the complete clean out. Then Chris will be taking over to complete the demolition, so if y'all are ready to tackle this mess with us, let's get started. So let me give you guys a quick update on this food pantry and why Chris and I had decided to do a renovation on it. Main reason, it needed it. Well, aside from that, the shelves had a poor support system all the way around. The shelves were bowing. Half of the shelves weren't mounted to the wall properly, and all of the shelves in here were nailed to these 1x2s for support. That was probably the absolute most ridiculous thing that we've seen so far in here in regards to holding something up. Every time we've done these huge renovations, Chris and I have found the quality of work was well below standard. Thank goodness these finds were easy to fix for us, but it's just stupid that it couldn't be fixed by them right then and there. On top of that, the walls were out of date, and after our water heater had busted last year and flooded behind the wall, it was definitely time to do a complete renovation of this food pantry.
You first saw me. Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Spinning too.
I don't think I've ever given these shelves a good thorough clean. I was kind of scared to put any pressure on these shelves, and I wasn't sure how much weight they could truly hold, you know? It's not every day you have shelves being held up by 1x2s. So I did what I could to keep it clean by throwing away the trash and organizing it the best that I could. However, as you can see earlier in the video, it was just a total cluttered mess. I tried to make it look good, but I had no organization to it, not much labeling going on, no containers, and no motivation at all to do anything with this pantry because I knew it needed so much more. You know, come to think of it, I don't think I've ever shown you guys this food pantry or even did a cleaning video of it until now. I believe that I was truly ashamed of it and embarrassed of what I had. But now that the renovation is complete, I can show you the complete before and after and be so excited in this process to show you guys how it turns out. Alright you guys, now that I've completely cleaned out the food pantry, you're now going to see Chris do the complete demolition, and he's absolutely excited for this. He was screaming earlier, "It's demo day!" So with that being said, I just want you to sit back, relax, turn up the music, and watch Chris tear this food pantry apart all the way down to the floor. I'll check back in with you guys shortly.
Is it so hard to let you go? it so hard to let you go?
I know watching someone clean is so satisfying, but what about watching someone tear a room apart? I honestly felt cleansed after watching Chris tear stuff apart in this food pantry. It almost felt like I was going through some stress relief therapy. I wanted so much to help Chris out, but he said no and kept telling me no. He didn't want me in all of that, and he said that since I did all of the hard work in the beginning, now it was time for him to take over the fun stuff, which I truly believe he wanted to do that all by himself. Now that he's torn off all of the old drywall, he's now breaking up the old tile and mortar off of the floor. I hope you guys have truly enjoyed this video so far of the food pantry renovation. I know you've waited a long time for this, and I know I've talked your ear off about it, but I hope it was worth the wait. There's so much more to come and so much more to look forward to. However, if you enjoyed all of this motivation and inspiration, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to be notified of other videos that I post. I do lots of cleaning motivation, renovations, makeovers, have relatable mom life content, organization and decor inspiration, and anything else that I can share with you guys while being a stay-at-home mom. I'd love for you to join our YouTube family and to be on this journey with us. Alright you guys, looks like we're going to call it right here for this video today. Wanted to give you a quick glance on how much Chris and I had completed in this food pantry. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel and head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, and follow me there as well. We'd love to have you here and over there too. Again, thank you so much for watching. So I guess I will see you again right back here with a brand new video. Bye you guys.